Nasamahan mag-bike. Ang ganda ng puno ko. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ito.
Ha?
Ito. Pupunta na kami doon sa Lake Fort Community.
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah, dito madalas mag-bicycle. Samahan ko siyang mag-bike kasi para mahugog. Eh, wala na. So, almost 7 o'clock na dito. Pero, maliwanag pa rin. 7 o'clock ng gabi. Ayan. Basta na kaya yun. So, kailangan niya maka 3 maikot to 3 lapses bago kami umuwi. And then, mag-wait lang ako dun sa bench. Ako naman, isang ikot lang. And then, upo ako. Mag-wait ako kay Ken. Magalaw. Bumpy. Okay, bye-bye. Naabutan siya. So steep. Yan. Lapit na kami doon sa lake. Ito yung part ng lake. Okay. Bridge. Pasyal tayo. Pasyal na po kayo. Yan na yung lake. Lapit lang to. Yan. Ito yung first stop hanggang dun sa dulo para iikutin na kayo yung lake. Sa pagbabike. Masarap dito kasi maraming puno. Sarap mag-walk. Very peaceful na community. Ito ang lake. Then ito yung pathway, walkway, sidewalk. Ayan. We're coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Nakaisang ikot ng bata. Then mamaya makakasalubong niya ako. Then iikot ulit siya. Oh, layo na. Bigyan pa sa lubong. Tayo ikot. Oops. Ano, kaya pa? One more. O 2 more ikot, okay?
Here.
Yep. Okay.
Now meet me somewhere.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bye. Okay. Ang ganda nitong puno na ito. Ganda ng kulay. And ito yung lake again. Ganda ng community dito. There's a swimming pool area. So pretty. One thing that I like here, it's napaka-peaceful. Yeah. At marami kang iniisip. It helps to lighten up your mind. And then sige na. Okay, one more ikot again. Alam ko na lang. Sakit na ng kamay. Ganda ng t-shirt mo, ha? Look at your face. Oh, one more ikot.
Mama. Let's
Okay.
rest, mommy.
Okay, let's go there.
Okay, let's go.
The bench. Okay, wait
go.
me.
No.
Wait me.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Are you you go.
Wait me there.
I'm just gonna rest a little bit in here. Go.
Okay. Resting time.
Oh.
Resting time for David King.
Yeah.
Tired na. Nakang-bench dito. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
3 more days and it's your birthday.
Yeah.
Officially 11 years old.
And it's oh, excuse me.
You need to wear gloves.
I need like gripping gloves.
Okay.
It's like numb.
No?
It's like feel like it's again like it moving by itself.
Okay.
It's like numb. It's
Okay.
like numb.
Get dressed, okay?
Yeah. Then I'm gonna go. Just stay here. Or you can switch because I will like see the lake.
Yeah.
You can switch, right?
Alright.
By the way,
What?
it's my birthday soon.
And then
Say happy birthday.
I will sing you a happy birthday on your birthday.
Not right now. We're on public.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm
Where
so excited.
are we gonna go?
Water park.
A water park. Yay!
Even though there's a lot of people.
Bakit ayaw mo dun sa private swimming pool? What
Doon-
ayaw mo dun sa...
doon?
No, in our place.
It's not public. It's not private. It's public. That is like private.
So many people are...
There's so many because it's public.
Yeah,
On
only,
there, I can swim, but
only few people there here, right?
here-
But there it's so
still
crowded.
numb.
In the water park also, there are many people.
Yeah,
But it's
there's
a
many
big-
people.
It's a big water park.
Yeah, it's a big water park, and my favorite rule says you can wear like t-shirt and shorts. That's what I like.
Mm,
Okay.
okay. Are you going to go biking again?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, David, this is the tennis court. Kaya hindi lang ito nakatatlong ikot. 5 times. Pauwi na kami. Ayan. Gusto magpahinga. Mauna na siya doon rest sa bench. Just waiting for me there. Diba? Pag ganito rin makaganda yung lalakaran mo. Tapos meron kang headphone. Nakikinig ka na ng praise and worship songs. Wow. The best experience. For me, masayang experience na yun. At, sakit. Sabi ko baka wala siya doon sa bench eh. Hinihintay niyo pa rin ako. Oh, may squirrel na dumaan. Squirrel. Squirrel is... Oh, dalawa pala sila. Oh, tatlo. Dalawa nga. Say hi. Hi. Oops. She's playing. Dito marami squirrel.
But come here, there's a squirrel. There's a squirrel. Come here.
Dito mo gusto mag-rest? Or doon sa kabila?
Dito na lang.
Dito na
Look at
lang?
the squirrel.
Where?
Picture the squirrel.
The big squirrel.
Or else. Uy.
Okay. Let's get dressed. Ano yung bata? Maging 11 years old na yan, pero gusto pa rin maglaro sa... Yan nga lang, wala siyang kalaro. Nakakamiss din sa Pilipinas. Ang dami niyang kalaro dito. Talagang bihira. Ito yung playground dito. Ayan.
Ay,
What?
look.
Anak, hindi ka yata kasya dyan. You're too big. Purple. Today is July 21st. 4 days more. 11 years old na ang batutak ito. Stop. Why?
Baby turtle.
So ito na. Favorite spot ni David Ken. Wow, there's a lot of fish.
Tilapia.
Yay, tilapia.
No, the
There's
turtle.
a turtle there.
Total.
Maybe
What's the baby one?
just
Ayun,
waiting for food. Oh,
the
there's a
baby, the
baby
baby.
one right there.
There's a baby one.
Ayun. Ano siya?
There's another baby one.
Maybe is
Where's the other baby one?
ako kasi dito fishing. Fishing.
No fishing allowed.
Ang init naman anak. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Hello.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Another
There's
one there.
7,
That's
yeah.
2. It's right there.
No, look.
There's another
Right
one
there.
there.
Look. Right there. No,
One,
no, look. There's 2 there. Another 4. Right there.
4, 5, 6. There's another one there. 8. That's a lot. 9. Right there.
10.
9.
There's a lot.
There's another one there. Ang init naman anak. Ay,
Okay, let's go.
let's go na. Bye bye fishes. Sabi mo, marami dito naglalakad pa rito. Gawin ka na kami.